I actually met a girl at the mall.
Oh my God.
And her name is Sasha.
Oh my God, that's Sasha.
She was like, and I was like, wow.
Ay nako, ang daming plastic dito sa school. Akala mo kung sino magaganda, hindi naman maganda. Hi. Plastic.
Ayoko mag-boxing ka! Gusto ko magpare ka!
Nakakapagod kasi mag-explain yung paulit-ulit. Yung tinanong mo na nga pero tanong din ang isasagot sa'yo.
Sino ang iibigin ko? Ikaw ba?
Sa lang ko ano-ano, sabi niya, Ma'am, I hope you don't mind. Sabi ko,
Okay.
yes. Hilo-hilo pa ako. I just have to know, are you pregnant? Sabi ko, no, I'm not pregnant, Doc. Nakakaloka.